Can I upgrade my motorcycle roadside assistance plan? If you are wondering whether you can upgrade your motorcycle roadside assistance plan, you are in the right place. The answer is yes, you can upgrade your plan. Many insurance providers and roadside assistance organizations offer options to enhance your coverage. This often includes adding specialized benefits tailored specifically for motorcycles. Basic roadside assistance plans usually cover services like towing, battery jump starts, and fuel delivery for cars. However, motorcycles have unique needs that requiring specialized plans. For example, towing a motorcycle often needs to be done by experts familiar with handling them. Organizations like the American Automobile Association allow members to add motorcycle-specific roadside assistance to their existing membership for an additional fee. This upgrade can provide benefits such as towing up to 100 miles, free fuel delivery, locksmith service reimbursement, and trailer coverage. You can usually upgrade your plan online or by contacting member services. If you upgrade midterm, prorated charges may apply for the remaining time on your membership. Motorcycle insurance providers like Harley-Davidson Insurance also offer roadside assistance coverage that can be purchased or upgraded. This ensures that your motorcycle is towed by professionals trained in motorcycle handling. The coverage typically operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and may include towing to the nearest qualified repair facility. This is especially important since motorcycles do not carry spare tires. Membership-based motorcycle organizations, such as the American Motorcyclist Association, provide options to upgrade to a roadside assistance plus plan for an additional annual fee. This upgrade often includes multiple service calls per year and coverage for several registered vehicles, including motorcycles, cars, and trailers. To upgrade your motorcycle roadside assistance plan, start by reviewing your current coverage. Check if motorcycle coverage is included or available as an add-on. Next, contact your insurance provider or roadside assistance organization to inquire about upgrade options and associated costs. You may need to register your motorcycle to activate or upgrade coverage. Complete the upgrade process online or by phone, paying any additional fees. Finally, confirm the effective date and coverage details to ensure your motorcycle is protected. Upgrading your motorcycle roadside assistance plan can provide peace of mind. It ensures that you have specialized support tailored to your motorcycle's needs, which can differ significantly from standard car roadside assistance.